All right, Logan, check this out. I got this leftover hot tamale spicy type problem right here from Cinco de Mayo, and I just wanted to show you guys how I would go about starting it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to make sure that we understand what we're looking at, and I would say we're looking at a right triangle, and the moment I see this guy right here, that right angle, I'm like, oh yeah, a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 is equal to c to the power of 2, except it's a little bit more complex. Now, the two sides that make the right angle are called our legs, our a and our b. So I'm going to write down x minus 1 to the power of 2 plus x plus 6 to the power of 2 is equal to c, and c is the hypotenuse in this triangle, so we're going to go x plus 7 to the power of 2. Now, I think a lot of you can get this. The hard part is going to be what happens next, and you're going to want to be careful. A lot of people are going to make the mistake, and they're just going to square the x and square the 1, square the x and square the 6. But this is where the problem gets complex. You got to remember that this right here means x minus 1 times x minus 1. So you got to go through all of these and multiply them all out individually. This would give you x squared minus 2x plus 1 after you FOIL that thing out. Then you would do this one over here. That would be x plus 6 times x plus 6. And when you FOIL that out, you're going to get x to the power of 2 plus 12x plus 36. And then you're going to have equals, and then you have to FOIL this guy out, which is x plus 7 times x plus 7, which would give you x to the power of 2 plus 14x plus 49. All right. And then from here, you're going to want to have to simplify this. So we really haven't had to deal with any kind of quadratic that looks this large. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 more steps for you guys and then let you guys try it on your own. Finish it up on your own, sorry. So we're going to combine like terms. We can combine those, but I can't combine this one here. And the reason I can't combine it is it's not on the same side as the equal sign. So I'm just going to write I have 2x to the power of 2's, and then I'm going to combine this guy here, the negative 2x and the 12x, and that's going to give me plus 10x. And then the 1 and the 36 gives me plus 37 is equal to x to the power of 2 plus 14x plus 49. Now, if you remember, anytime you have a quadratic, you're always going to want to set it equal to 0. So this leads to my last step before I let you guys take the problem and hand it off to you. I'm going to take away the x to the power of 2. I do have a place to take it away, so it's going to get taken away there. I'm going to take away that 14x. So I'm going to take it away over there. And I'm going to stop doing the problem from here. You should have 0 on the right side. You're not done. You still got to get rid of one more thing. There's one more thing on this side. Remember, we want it to be 0. We still got to get rid of one more thing. And then you're going to have a quadratic, and then you're going to want to solve it. Okay? If you have any questions, go ahead and drop by tutoring, and I'll help you out there. Hope you have a great day. Talk